Okay, so that was question 25. On a different paper, we go back to question 9 now. So another compound area question. Bit similar to Mrs. Kunal's question about the fertiliser. The diagram shows the plans for a swimming pool. First of all, this 3 metres here should be there. I apologise, when it's printed, it's somehow veered away. So, the diagram shows the plan for a swimming pool. The fact it's a swimming pool isn't too important. Mark wants to tile the base of the pool. So, he's just tiling the base. That's important because we're not talking about the sides. We don't have any information for that. One pack of tiles costs £24. And it covers 6 metres squared. However, there's a discount of 25% off. 25% off the packs of tiles. In this question, it's not asking you how much it costs. It's saying, Mark has £150, and it's saying, does he have enough money? So our answer is actually going to end up being a yes or a no. Yes, he has enough money, or no, he doesn't. And if we don't say at the end of this question, yes, he does, or no, he doesn't, we've not answered it, we'll lose a mark. Now, for this one, this L shape is 2 rectangles put together. There are multiple ways to do this. I'm going to just show you one. I look at this and think I'm going to split this across there. And I'm going to get rectangle 1, that landscape one, and I'm going to get rectangle 2. I know that when some of you look at it, you might want to split it vertically up there, and some of you might want to make one big rectangle and take this section away. All 3 are valid methods. I'm just going to show you one. So I've split it, drawn a horizontal line in to make 2 rectangles. So I've labelled them 1 and 2 so my working out is really clear. I'm going to work out the area of number 1 first. It's 11 by 4. And 11 by 4 gets me 44 metres squared. Area 2, with this down here, is 2 by 3, which gets me 6 metres squared. So my total area is the sum of those 2, which is 50 metres squared. So that's the total area I need to tile. So then to look at how much a pack tiles. One pack is 6 metres squared. So I need to see how many of those packs will fit into 50. I don't have a calculator at this point, so I could do 50 divided by 6 short division, the bus stop method as you call it. But I've written a fraction there for division. I'm going to find that easy because if I simplify that, 6 8s are 48, so I get 8 full packs with 2 6 left over. Same as 8 full packs with 1/3 left over if we simplify it. The bottom line is 8 packs will not be enough. I'm going to need a 9 pack. So I need 9 packs. That's important in the context of this question. We're not going to be able to work out the cost of 1/3 of a pack of tiles because if in real life you need 1/3 of a pack of tiles, you need to buy another full pack of tiles. The fact you'll have some left over, that's just unfortunately how it goes. So, we need 9 packs. We need 9 packs that cost £24 each. It's non-calculator. I would do 10 24s of 240 and then take 24 away, which gets me £216. So I would do 10 24s because I can do that easily in my head. 10 24s are 240, take away 24 gets me £216. However, in the question, another thing we highlighted was there's a discount. There's a discount of 25% off. So we need to find 25% of that. I know that 25% is a quarter. And I know to find a quarter, I can half it and half it again. So 25% of 216. If I half that, I get 108. If I half that, I get 54. I might just double check that by timesing 54 by 2 and by 2 again, because I find doubling easier than halving. But if I double that, I get 108, and if I double 108, I get 216. So 25% of £216 equals 54. That's my discount. So I need to subtract that away. And if I subtract 4 from 6, I get 2. 5 from 1, I will have to exchange one of those. I get £162. The tiles are costing £162. The question I said, Mark has 150, does he add enough? So our answer has to be no. Mark does not have enough, as the tiles will cost £162. Five marks for that question. A mark for breaking down and working out just one of the areas. A mark for working out the total area of the L shape. A mark for acknowledging that if it needs to be 8 and 2/6, you need 9 packs. You need to buy that 9th full pack. A mark for working out the discount was £54. And then final mark for saying no, he doesn't have enough money. The relevant videos for this question, we'll pop them down here. Be useful to watch video 41. That's about area of compound shapes. Compound shapes are more than one simple shape put together. This was 2 rectangles put together. There is actually a video, video 42, specifically for this type of question, for the area of L shapes, so particularly specifically for 2 rectangles put together. And then video 234, again you've seen this on a previous one, but it's percentage of an amount bracket non-calc. So I'll just read that again because I've written over 2 of the mountains, so it's a bit dark. 234, percentage of an amount, and that's non-calculator in particular.